I'm ready to film some cupcakes. Hello, sugar geeks. Today we're gonna make vanilla cupcakes. I'm so excited! Let's get started. First, you're gonna take your vanilla and put it in the buttermilk. Done. Next, put the eggs in the oil.
Perfect.
Whisk it up. Now the dry ingredients. All your flour in a bowl. Too much dust. All the sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Put on your paddle attachment. Add all of your butter in. Let it mix. Mix until it looks like sand. Add in your milk and vanilla. Careful. Mix until for 1.5 minutes. Those look good. Add your oil and eggs.
Scrape the bowl.
Scrape, 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 scrape.
You got some on your nose. Now for scooping. Scoop it so it's not too full.
Yeah. Go.
Try and not get any on the edges of the cupcake wrappers.
Why?
Because then they will burn.
Okay. Oh, thanks for helping me.
You're welcome. The trick is not to overfill, right?
Mm-hmm.
Want all of them to be about the same size.
Bake them up. Cupcakes are done. We're gonna frost our cupcakes.
Wow, good job. Ta-da!
Ta-da! Now add some sprinkles. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Time to eat some cupcakes. Okay. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below. See you next week. Bye.